Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be looking at percentage change. So what exactly is percentage change? Percentage change is to calculate the difference between an initial amount of something and the final amount and express it as a percentage of the initial amount. So having said that, so I can define percentage change as the difference between the big amount minus the smaller amount divided by the initial amount times 100. So what do I mean by this? Always when you are asked to calculate percentage change between something, you must have the bigger amount and the smaller amount. But the initial could be the bigger amount or it could be the smaller amount, whichever one is the initial. So you have to watch out for the word from something to something. So this from tells you that this is the initial, and to will tell you this is the final amount. I hope that makes sense. So let's go. Question 1. The price of a TV is £260. In the sale, the price is decreased by 20%. So work out the price of the TV in the sale. So this is percentage increase or decrease. You can check my channel for video on percentage increase or decrease. So a straightforward calculation for this would be 260 multiplied by 1. Since it is decreased, that will be minus 20%. So if we put that in a calculator, we are going to get so let me just open my calculator. So that is £208. I hope that makes sense. The number of TVs sold increased from 78 to 98. From 70 to 98. Work out the percentage increase. So easy. Remember the formula? First we calculate the difference. So 98 minus 70 is equals to 28. So what will be the percentage increase? So that will be 28 divided by, now I said watch out for the word from something to something. So from 70, it means 70 is our initial. So that is 28 divided by 70 times 100. So 0 cancel 0, 7 here 1, 7 28, 4. And 4 times 10 is 40. So our answer is 40%. Question 2. The value of a painting rises from 120,000 to 192,000 pounds. So like I said, this will be our initial. So first we find the difference. So 192,000 minus 120,000. So 00027. So that's 72,000. Then we do 72,000 divided by 120,000 times 100. So 0 take out 0 is 0 out, 0 out is 0 out. 12 goes in 72 6 times, and 6 times 10 is 60%. A puppy weighed 2 kg. After 8 weeks later, the puppy weighed 3.5 kg. What was the percentage increase? So it means it went from 2 kg to 3.5 kg. So this is our initial. So the percentage change is going to be 3.5 minus 2 kg, which I think is 1.5. Then 1.5 divided by 2 times 100. So 2 here 1, 2 in 1.5 will be 0.75, I think. So 0.75 times 100, that will be 75% increase. I hope that makes sense. Peter's weight decreases from 80 to 64. So that means 80 is our initial. So the difference will be 80 minus 64, which is equals to 16. Then we do 16 divided by 80 times 100. So 0 take out is 0, 80 1, 8 and 16 2, and 2 times 10 is 20%. Alice buys a book for 19.8 and a year later she sells the book for 12.87. So calculate the percentage decrease in the value of the book. Easy. So it went from 19.8 to 12.87. So that means this is our initial. So the difference is 19.8 minus 12.87. So this will be 7, this is 10, so that makes 3. This will be 8, this is 17, so that will make 9. 8 minus 2 is 6, so that will be 6.93 divided by initial of 19.8 times 100. So let's use our calculator for that. In a sale, the price of a sofa is reduced from 2,500 to 1,840. What is the percentage decrease? Easy. It went from 2,500, so this is our initial. So what do? We do 2,500 minus 1,840. So let's do that. So this will be 0, this will be 4, this is 10, so that makes 6, it makes 14, and that makes 6 as well. So this will be 0. So that's 660 divided by the initial of 2,500 times 100. So these two zeros, we cancel these two zeros. So 25 will go in 66, exactly 2 times. Remainder 16. And 25 will go in 160. It will go 3 times. Remainder 10. Then add 0 to that, then the decimal here. Then 25 and 100, that will go 4 times. So the answer is 23.4%. Question 7. The volume of soda in a can is increased from 250 ml to 330 ml. Work out the percentage increase. So again, this is our initial. So the difference is 330 minus 250. So 250 to 300 is 50, then plus 30, that's 80. So that will be 80 divided by the initial of 250 times 100. So 0, we cancel out this 0. 25 goes in 100 4 times, and 4 times 8 is 32. So that's 32% increase. Sarah bought a TV for £250. 3 years later, she sold it for £180. Work out her percentage loss. Easy. That means it went from 250 to 180. So that means this is our initial. So the difference now is 250 minus 180, which is 70. Then we do 70 divided by 250, which is our initial, times 100. So 0 cancels 0, 25 goes in 100 4 times, and 7 times 4 is 28. So that's 28% loss. A car is traveling at 40 kilometers per hour. The car increases its speed to 56 kilometers per hour. Calculate the percentage increase in the speed of the car. So the speed went from 40 to 56. So this is our initial. So the difference is 56 minus 40, which is equals to 16. Then we do 16 divided by 40 times 100. So 0 cancels 0, 4 here 1, 4 in 16, that is 4. And 4 times 10 is 40% increase. I think this is very clear enough with all these examples, so you can try to work out the rest of these questions on your own, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel.